This is soy sauce, a popular condiment originating from ancient China. The salty seasoning is brewed under strong sunlight. The Yongxingcheng company started making the sauce 100 years ago. Its special manufacturing techniques have been recognized as an intangible cultural heritage of Sichuan. It's one of the very few soy sauce producers that have kept the natural drying tradition without the use of additives.
We're committed to passing on the traditional craft from generation to generation in a bid to provide our customers safe and environmentally friendly products with their original flavor.
The century-old brand is also seeking innovation. In 2019, the company invested some $45 million to scale up its operation. In some of the production steps, modern equipment has been adopted.
We introduced the most advanced starter making machine in 2019. We could only make a ton of starter each day in the old way, but now the daily capacity is 10 tons.
The business expansion is benefiting in many ways the local residents, who are contracted to supply raw beans or work at Yongxingcheng.
I get a sum of money from the farmland lease to the company annually, and I earn some 3,000 yuan each month by working here with various social insurance covered. Since the plant is just near my home, I can also look after my family.
Some can even derive a good income by working from home, such as making bamboo covers for the vats, about $6 a piece. The company has set its sights higher. It plans to transform the plant into a big complex for tourists, which will include a museum and an experience center.
We'll continue to promote the intangible cultural heritage and bring our brand into the second centenary. I also hope our efforts can contribute to rural revitalization and common prosperity among the villagers.
Local government says they will firmly support such traditional industries, as their development will play a significant role in boosting sustainable economic growth in rural areas.